To subscribe is free.
You subscribe yet?
It's a constant battlefield, yeah.
It's a spiritual field.
Yeah. You can't find peace unless you win the war.
We are the spiritual superstars.
You can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Cause I remember when the church was a place for finding peace. Now the pastor office strapped with bees. Same about no time just for call police, cause them take too long to read. And I remember when the liquor used to get the least. Now them ain't struggle for eat. Cause see that body's the end thing, good is out the system. Right there so the system reads. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war.
We are the spiritual superstars.
Can't find yourself unless you know what you're fighting for. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war.
We are the spiritual superstars.
Can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for.
Who will take the blame? Who will make a change? I will living in a mental phase. Cause when I think about the greater ones who fought for us, oh, I wish I could keep in touch. Now it's our turn to keep the fire burning. Now it's our turn to keep this fire burning.
You can't find peace unless you win the war.
We are the spiritual superstars.
You can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war.
We are the spiritual superstars.
Can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Cause I remember I felt the race.
Okay. When I understand how you live down in your house and I sleep like that and you know some man out there look for you. You sleep like your baby. What go on? Girl, me not sleep last night, you know. I couldn't sleep.
Me not go nowhere. So what you want me to do? Me dey like house knock up in a mama. So what you want me to do? Me not have to sleep. Me have to sleep, you know.
Me not say you not have to sleep, you know, but you sleep like you're stress free, like nothing not go on. You sleep like so your environment alright. When you not alright, Pinky, people know say me and your friend. People know say we close. And if they not find you, they will come here so we have to be careful and know what we are do, girl. And you lay down in there and sleep like say everything alright when you know say nothing no good.
So what on there? Oh, me feel little and sleep stress free. And are you full gonna have a man? Eh? Are you fully gonna have a man?
I
It
know
come
me.
like say, you know, want me to sleep. Girl, if me not sleep, you know, this will mad me. I'm not gonna see that if I don't have prayer, you know, not gonna see it.
Mama, me never say me want to see your mother or anything. Me just say you sleep, you dey sleep like say nothing now go on in your surrounding. When you know say you aisle the palm board, palm chopping board.
Hello. Let me tell you something. If you never sleep, never sleep. Because a whole heap of things depend this a brain. You understand? But what make you girl, nobody now stop you from sleep. Nobody no knows for me there so. So what problem?
You never know what can happen. Me have to have 1 year up and 1 year like. Matter of fact, I two of them up in.
What you telling me?
Me not tell you nothing, but me tell you say just be careful, girl. You can't just asleep. So suppose me go up on the road and somebody come here, come knock down the door or something.
Hello. Be careful now. Eh?
Me see what go on.
You
Me
touch me,
understand.
jump up. That for sure. You say me not sleep dead.
Me understand what go on so now.
Girl, I make it sound like say you want me let your place, girl. I still make it look like say you want me let your place, guy. It's just like you more half energy right now and you look good at all. Like you just want to like you just want to tell me something go on, but you just put in a one nice style.
Pinky, me and your friend, girl. If me did want to tell her, say, if you go on, me could have tell her from yesterday when you come on me yard. Me could have tell her, say, me no want to, yeah.
So,
but me still put up your, yeah.
So what make me sleep concern you know that me?
What you mean, what make you sleep concern me, Pinky? Pinky, you sleep like say nothing now go on. I saw you sleep from last night. This morning I get up, baby, go back in my bed, go sleep, girl. Like that me I talk about.
I have a strong feeling. Say we go and go back to people that know say I saw me there. Me have a strong feeling say we do it, you know. You see it, you come out to nowhere.
If me did want that, me do it long time.
No, people that in me there now sleep. What kind of style are you?
Yeah, go like say people don't really listen to my yard.
You know what kind of friend I see you be, you know?
What kind of friend? Me is a good friend to pick up you in the first place because you go dragon off of people, and me a good friend to pick up you and have you in my house with me one room with me and my man. So me is a good friend. Some friend now do that. Some friend I go tell us say go and buy your business because my man there here. But you there
kind of serve my purpose. I put him on.
Not because your man serve purpose so you go drag on a family. You're an ungrateful girl. You're ungrateful because that the man that take care of you. He make sure say you're alright, he make sure say you have a place and now you turn on go drag on for him.
Hey, come on, me tell you something.
No, who a bad person now? Who a bad person?
Let me tell you something.
Me or you?
Listen. So you rather take man lick too because a person that take care of you go sit down and take man lick. The man choke me and shove me at the wall.
I must a reason why the man do that.
Because
you take out the man weapon all time back. You must expect so the man go get upset over a world situation and you looking at the situation yourself. Somebody give you something to put on, then come back feed is something in the bag. What you expect them all do? Them all feel like so you play around, girl. Come on.
He could have said be just 1 feet and come back. Why you chop me? I should have bust a shot in your head.
You should have boxed in your face.
No, boy,
because you should take out the man weapon. Me don't show you how to do it already and everything. And then you take out the man weapon and go put it somewhere else. Just should do that thinking.
Uma, this is what well, the man come like a one.
Me and the man come like a one. That's why they say sorry for Marga dog turn on and bite you.
Lucky. Like German Shepherd.
What happened? I don't know why you never follow your doctor.
Can't manage the excitement of your style sometimes. I just can't manage your style, you know, cause right now, when you see certain things or you hear certain things that are being nice, you're going to start me, because I don't on that right now, you know.
I just want to be there more just want to be there for you. That's I think.
There's nothing wrong with that, but can't manage the excitement, you know. That's why you're thugs in the street, you know. In real life,
So that's what to do with me.
I don't know what to do with you, but can't manage that right now.
Bobby, like how this happened to you, right?
Yeah.
What you have in your intention? What up on your mind? Because I know you're in a Bobby. I know you stay.
Right now, you see how long you try to avoid the bombard problem and the one bag of friend, and you see it. And me try to avoid the trouble always. That's why me the old people always say trouble set up like rain for you, you know, because I avoid all light, you know, and come like say more me avoid the and more them up boy try push certain energy for me. But what you know? Let's go on normal still.
It's a go normal. Bobby, I'm not sure say no.
No man, yeah.
No, you might see me and laugh, you feel like a joke, man. But I'm serious, Bobby, I know you.
Right now I feel like say street a call me back. I swear. I feel like the street is calling me now cause
Listen to me. You see what happened to you last year? Do me I beg you, no make you reach you this year again.
no, sir.
Because I can't manage it up and down with you in a jail, Bobby. I can't take it stress. You understand? I don't have no money already.
That.
You see me a struggle.
Yeah, but you can see me avoid that even money me not have because I same thing and me I try to stay up on the right path. And it come like say more me try and more things happen to me cause that makes sense, yeah man, it makes sense. Me just boy, I don't even know, yeah man. Makes sense, me just normal, anything happen just happen. Tell you the truth.
Anyway, I have something to tell you.
What that?
Pinky there on her yard. She stay here so for some time.
What happened to your yard?
You know, say something good on around her yard.
So make a yes, you have to bring her.
I know me bring her, she come here, but true, you know, say me and her friend, me they help her.
All of them are the same thing, you know. The man and his friend, all of them are the same thing, you know. All of them are the same thing.
What you mean all of them are the same thing?
Then remember, say, you know. After your man first come tell me boy want me and come back, come do apps and come back in that thing, you know. And then Fletcher come back and come shot me, you know, because I see him like the two of them planning before they come to me, you know. I'm not trust them move there, you know. And I woman, you know, where they sleep, put head to head and one bag of something. You see me? This, but you know, right now, I don't know, you know, but I don't feel like more water in my heart still, you know.
Bobby, I'm a friend, you can't do that. I'm a friend, something good on like, alright, let me tell you what really happened. A guy with her boyfriend come here, give her a weapon for put on, right?
I have too much explanation still, you know. I don't want to hear about them, you know. Because right now, I pray all of them. And you see, if I name it, I pray them, I deep pray, I pray them.
Then listen what me have to say now. If you don't listen me, I say, oh, you got
your friend still, you know, my friend. I not tell us if you go, tell a friend if you left up if you are, but I not stay there still, you know. You see me?
So where you go stay?
Know yourself, man. I have places.
Yeah, places. What you mean you have places there? And put me in a Bobby.
No, nothing like that. Me have places there, but you know, and I nothing like where you think about.
No, think about nothing. Anything you say. But just know say she have to stay so for some time.
Nah man, see man. Nah, stay there still. You me this me I come check up and still and see if you're good, you know. More something around the yard if you want to go feed.
What that?
But you put something over your yard, man.
What you put over me yard?
And something.
Bulby. You hear how much time me call the name? You hear me and warn you, Bulby. Stay out of trouble. Stay, Bulby, me not laugh at you now.
Just tell us to stay far from certain energy too. And stay your yard, not too good. You come check your piece of food to land. And we call up to a few shippers them from back overseas and sit and for them and ship piece of food for me and certain things. So a piece of food for land, and I have to check. You know what yourself, man. You turn up back his Spain.
Anything you say,
yeah,
but be careful.
Man. If you know, you have to know, just get out of your place. And man, you don't chat. Your friend, you must know. Come on, don't check you.
Alright, and go and go rest the foot, man. Watch ya. Come and walk.
your style. Imagine if they come here and you know show me certain vibes. Let me make them tell that. That's what this thing said now. So you don't love me anymore. You can't give money. Okay. So true. With the pregnancy and lose the dirty dog. And you stress me out. And that's how you use against me. So me dash for the belly. What do you mean by what I call her? Listen to me now. Me need protection. So you see that what I said for me? No one protect me, need protection. Or if you go call him and make him know say me is doing that things, I'ma lose your baby. Eh? You hear me I tell you? Alright, don't play with. I hear you. I hear you really hang up on me.
Pinky. Yeah, alright, listen to me as I say, just listen, I say nothing, just listen. Me and your friend and we are come from a far away. And I love you as a friend. I care for you. You understand? But you see this whole drama thing we are going, this whole setup or whatever. I not even really know, I not care because my brain not even really there so right now. You see all of this we are going, Pinky. Me feel like me in a light. Me feel like I want chop. You understand? Me not safe for have you here so because you don't know say for your man and in people them go for Bulby what they are shot him or whatever, you understand? So for you the here so him feel like say a set up thing so you can't go stay here.
Huh? What you say?
I say you cannot stay here, you have to go away. I don't run here or nothing, but you have to find somewhere where safer and comfortable for you. Yes, I'm not safe for you because anything can happen, any sort of move can make Pinky. They know say me and your friend and I feel me place I first place them all.
Yo. You have a gun for me now.
So what? A chat me? Oh! So true, me show you how to use the gun or something. You turn around and come use it back for me. Eh?
Relax, girl.
Then why you tell me say I have the gun?
I say the fool man, the say. Now come out now, I have a gun. You don't must think, you supposed to walk up in a police, girl. Eh? And that me I talk about you know. I know say, in a real life, when man that come here and come at me yard and I disrespect you most kind of way. And I disrespect you. I mean I pick up for you. You know what I should pick up for you?
What do you mean by that?
You see you're not a good friend, we should pick up for you, we should make the girl class, we should class.
Alright, me and a good friend. Why you never run to Amanda first then? Why you come at my place? Since me and a good friend.
You're not a good friend.
Hmm?
Yeah, it's not a
If
good
me
friend.
never did a good friend, you would sit down on my bed there start talk right now. You would have there Amanda.
That's fine today. It's like how you put me out nice streets now, you know my situation. Just make sure say you not call back this a girl here.
Pinky, you don't understand.
Come here,
You don't understand.
you know that
Pinky, you need to relax yourself. Because you put yourself in this situation, you know. Nobody never send you to go do what you do, you know. You understand? Me in my ass there fire right now. And with you there, so my head there on the chopping board. It now go walk up, Pinky. Me and your friend. And I put you out in the street for people right but me I put you. You just cannot stay here, so you're not safe.
Yo, me should
None
better for you, you know. You might look out if man come to kill me. We should even trust another, you know. But just feel a little on yourself to chew, you know. So after that time, I sit down and quote say, You're not to be trusted. Anyway, let me tell you something right now. Let me tell you something. You see this whole thing we are going, you feel like your man a beat and you love it. Because there is no way me go make a boy choke me and push me in a wall and lick up my head. And me not do nothing about it.
Alright, you see, you the look on the situation as him. Alright, remember say you put yourself in that spot there, you know. Remember saying give you something to put on, you know. And you move from where him put you, you know. So him go feel a weird, him go feel offended, him go feel like say you're threatening him, pinky, him go feel like say you turn your back on him because me figure something. And say make it stay in this, I just take out something out there. And then you go behind my back and go put it something different place. Me not go feel like say you disappoint me. Me go want fight you, me go want cuss you, me go want raise my voice after you.
Bye.
Can't believe say girl no say man I man my friend man set me up, you know. I really have a right yard and know say me I go come there, you know. Me I go do now. Cha just remember say this a boy have something for me. Hey Perry, can't hear from you for any time there. What go on? Thing good? You know, see the same something the way the link me for me a link back for do. Cause yeah, right now no. Achano. My youth, you know me can't explain too much to you, bro. Just no man. No say so. Yeah. Achano. I want to, you see me? Cause me have something to go deal with and I don't even want to load up, it just no sir. Nothing like that, man. Me I try my best, my G. My you know say I try you I don't like something you just say, you know, you remember say, you know, if you need link me and tell me say no do so, you know. And you see if me didn't do so right now I have my foot to that alright, you know. I dead me could have did at the moment, you know, bro. You even know you every day I think about it, bad man. Or yourself, man, right now I the catch stick me that show, you know, cause watch man, me have to work out back my foot and something, man. You have to come in back, man, cause watch man, the blood me having on me eye right now, you know. Yeah, man, what are we used to for? What are we for? I go all no. Just me get to something there, cause right now me I get no. Alright. That no sound bad. Early. Make you reach. Me call about look more share one next bad pre. So but look more me shout you. Alright.
How the hell it says? Well, I can't know my thing come down early.
Anyways, me know some me you know of the sister and brother connection when I really close like that. But what I do one favor.
Talk to me, walk on. Alright now, I just come off a ship. And right now, I feel nice and everything. As you can see, it's a new whip. You understand?
So they got money.
What you say you talk to me about?
Alright, so I want to come stay with you this one time.
Watch you, man. Jaw breaks. What you say a while ago?
Jaw breaks, like a bike and carry jaw breaks.
Sis, what you mean by come stay with me? I slow, you want to slow down my progress? Sis, you see with you now, you see your bike where you ride, you know no clutch pan it. You understand? You need to get a clutch pan your bike, because you need to slow down. When me bring you on my footer now, you go slow down my thing. Remember, say me out there for live a wild life in the street, and I have to go and do my thing and watch the street, you know. So I can't go bring you on my foot, sis. I have to just go and clutch. You're my sister, you know. You're my blood sister, but and I style me, I style you. But you have to just understand me, I try to say.
That's salt, you have some salt.
Me never said that.
Slow you down. So me crosses now.
No, sis, me never said that. You get it wrong. Remember, say me out there for you go and do it right in the street and I try to protect myself. So me can't have you on my foot, my sister.
So you say me can't stay.
You can't stay, sis. You have to just try to see if you can get somewhere and go and relax or something, but you can't really do my foot at the moment. Just to come off a ship and everything as I tell you
not even
already.
ask me what happened. Like it's like you not care. You not ask me what happened. Make me want to come stay with you. You not ask me what happened, you know.
No, sister, man. What go on?
You see it?
What go on? You talk to me and me I try to understand what you say.
Rich and Duns.
Rich and which Duns?
Anyways, listen. Me in an argument with you. Listen. You see? Hey, yo. Remember the cool man I chat to? Rasta.
Yeah, I remember how we are chat, man.
You know, say. He come my yard and he come my yard.
To me, no, man.
He come my yard and he give me something whole film, right? The whole film and he come back all of a sudden film, but me did just take it out of the bag and put it down. So the man come now and he say, where they? And start choke me and shoot me in the wall.
Shoot me in the wall?
Yes.
My sister?
Yeah, shoot me head in the wall. So he said, go for it now. So when me go for it, me pop you out on him.
Sis.
And light you up over him.
You see, that's one another thing when I try to show you. Say you can't fall on my foot. Because you know no clutch on the bike when you ride. You have to just go and breathe by yourself. You can't really come on me.
So what you say, my problem is not your problem.
Your problem and my problem, but the one is bigger than me.
So
the bigger than all my car right now.
When they bigger your car, me not care, me not give a flying shit. You're the one, the man, if you choke me and kill me, I don't do nothing about it.
I never said that, but sis, as I said, that the problem is bigger than me. So just try to see what you can do.
So me can't come around there?
No, that me say you can't come around there. You can't come around there, sis. Me try to line up something for you, but you can't come around there.
Hold on there, nice plastic.
So you don't see it and you come like you don't know, say, I tell you, say, where you do, sis? Yo, take that off from me and put it down there.
Let me tell you something.
Where you do?
Let me tell you something.
You know, say that's why I can't carry grow on all my brethren them. Because if them say something wrong to you now and then you go lift up and jaw. I go style my thing and make it look like me now govern my thing. Me out there run wildlife, me don't carry go run wildlife too. Listen. You need to clutch, sis.
Shut up!
Get a clutch on your bike.
Shut up! And listen to what me I say. You see, and that's why I not like family. Because you see, family, I fastest people to bring you down.
Eh? You say put up that.
No want help and you can't help me.
Hey, put up that.
Eh?
Me not like how you swing up that time. Put up that.
Boy, me saw when I'm brother, me bust a shot in your head.
And me use the car and drift and lick you over there.
Use the car and drift and lick me over.
You know what? You see before me catch up, yeah, my sister. You see before me catch up. Hello, easy yourself, here? Easy yourself.
If me can't come my yard, give me the money. Give me the money.
Mr. Easy yourself. Me here we talk. I don't tell you one thing already.
Mr. You feel lucky.
Put up that.
You feel lucky.
Put up that.
Yeah, my brother come just kill her right now.
You know how much of them me have in here, so? In a chunk, yeah? You know how much of them?
Who cares?
Me just a child show. You know how much of them in a chunk, yeah, so? The big one, them to the big tall one, them.
Just lift up.
Here?
Lift up.
You have one broad like an eyelash, too.
You know when they say family bad
Keisha! Keisha! I want my money, you know. Keisha! Where there?
Keisha, dear, come in now.
Huh?
Keisha, dear, come in, let me talk to you. Come on, Tyson. Come on.
It's on
How
hot,
good
man.
bless you.
Oh.
Hmm?
Yeah.
See, look, sir.
Oh.
I can see one up here, sir.
No, sir.
Come on, Tyson, with that.
Yeah.
You go do. I say, it's been a while since me not so still, you know. I know something kind of lay low upon certain circumstances, you know what I mean? So how do you it?
No.
Eh?
There.
You just don't like you look like you're afraid of certain circumstances like me, you know what I mean?
I'm not
You must
sure.
be a bridge, you know, like that, you know.
We know.
So the family.
That we're alright, but
Alright?
yeah.
So what going?
Ballsy.
One thing.
You don't know, so Ballsy get shot.
It means about to get shot.
What do you mean what it means Ballsy get shot?
Tell me a bit more now.
Inside the one spot where the one of the boys they come and attack to him and him and tell them say nah go back in the streets.
But you can tell which boys them?
My name again? Griffiths. Griffiths shot him 9 foot.
Griffiths.
Yeah, Griffiths shot him.
So which part boy be there now? You know?
Oh, let me know
You know, because you know so really and truly. I don't want to vibe that way, you know, because you don't know anything about, you know, everything will pull through certain speed.
Yeah.
But but I want to talk to Bulby still, you know, if you can, you know, tell him to shout me on his phone. You know what I mean? Because
I know if you go and shot you know.
So you get shot 9 foot?
Nine foot you get
9
shot.
foot?
Yeah.
So I run.
Map. Oh, you ask me so much questions.
No, you know, girl, you know, so used to the business and so forth. I mean, know you through them circumstances there, but you don't know anything, though, you know. Even for my girl, you know, when I call her Pinky, she kind of water down for one of the circumstances, there, you know. Yeah, I forget that still, because, you know.
Show Pinky, they know.
I don't know, it sounds like you know what she did.
I don't know what she did. That's why I asked her what she did.
So
what happened? Where's the Pinky from when?
Oh, God.
2 weeks now, I don't see Pinky.
I'm going to say her 2 weeks now. Oh, okay. Yeah, man.
I'm not here for her neither, so
I'm not
here for her. But you no good though.
Well, me good. Well, you know, circumstances go, you know, but I say, you know, like, things can't work out again.
So what happened? I know you and Pinky close, so I was going.
Everything good.
So you can't tell me what going, remember say, well, we are friends, you know.
Yeah, well, alright.
But at least me show you what going with my situation.
True.
You must can show me what going with you.
You know, say, she kinda, I'm gonna say no, she feisty and she hotter than and something. You know that, don't you?
You know that,
No
everybody
question of
knows.
the accent.
Yeah.
So when you get a little altercation and, you know, she just, so she move out. Alright, go and do your thing. And, you know,
Just that.
Because even place I have to pay rent for, you know, that's what maybe start stealing and so forth. I just mean people that I come check. So my friend for years, somebody I call Keisha, they're fine. Keisha bingo, because Amanda, see Amanda they help her with like a situation and she get to go. You know. But you know Amanda still house because she have to get her again. You know what I mean? But it's all good, you know, good to see you.
Good for you too, man.
But if I see Pinky, man, you can show me, you know, because you don't
No,
know
I'm not do that if you say you're not no dealings.
no, man, you don't know anything.
Then she will shout you then. No,
She
can't do that.
Me, man. She can't shout me.
She can't shout you.
So
why if me see Pinky, me if you call you and say, hey, me see Pinky.
No, man, just tell her to give me a call.
Oh, just tell her to give you a call.
I know some love to take care of her. You know? I'm a little pinky rinky that, you know what I mean? But even me, I used to know. What a good thing, so we never do nothing. You know, rum can make things go on certain way.
Nobody with that. The
So, but we
argument
don't know
there.
about that part, sure.
Hey, what's wrong with you? Nobody
May I
with
ask you
that.
a question?
Listen.
So me say you go on so
No,
uptight and-
Bulby don't know about that,
You know
the
that?
situation there. So, you don't talk now?
You don't talk. You hurry to go somewhere.
Alright, talk.
You hurry to go somewhere.
No, me not hurry
So
for
me can make it sound so then, man. Things still can't see the man gonna drop off a tree and me say all fruits ripe banana up. You know what I mean? But, you know, if you want things to still that
No.
Bulby are treated good, you know.
All when Bulby not having me still, I go stand by his side.
Well, you know, some me make Bulby have when
I don't care.
You know remember that?
I know that.
Yeah.
But me not care. When time Bulby did in a jail, where were you? And say, yeah, I'm my friend from school days.
But
The whole of we are
You
one.
don't know a full story that I think.
Then me
The
know
man
a
a
full
tell half a
story.
So, when Bulby there jail, they are Cuba. Bulby not tell you.
No?
Exactly. Because everybody have them things to do with and thing was just when him say he want to spend money on you and then what whole man money man. It's that correct. I see your body look chicken heavy. You nyam down man.
If me didn't name down Bulby, he would still want me, right? He would have gone.
No, boy, me love you. Yeah.
I love Bulby too.
Yeah, me know. But you have to know, say, love can carry so far and you know what I mean?
Stop it. You need to change your
If you
look
really
dirty
like love,
ways.
you will broke. You never know that. Love will make you broke, girl, right now.
Listen, remember saying I'm Pinky this day. I'm
We
Pinky,
can't do
I'm
again.
Pinky, so.
Everything cut.
Exactly.
You understand?
So I don't know what kind of game you try to play right here, so.
All me I say to you is this. Same thing, boy.
No.
Go on now, bossy. Long time I see my
Yeah, David.
Go on now. Can't
Well-
see your foot in the general.
Boy, it's a long story, you know. You know hear about it?
No.
You almost got prime time, you know.
So I say you leave my father. Good.
See me there on the phone, you over Miss Peggy yard. Only if you know, say boy, them a creep up on me. Me have to take it through Linton Bush. Go dash your phone and want to sell a wall, but when me go down in a sell a wall, my foot go lick on one eye, stone them. Go up in my foot. Go to all my bone. The good thing is, then I get the phone. So they don't know what me I run for. You see me?
Yeah.
You just tell them I'm scared.
Alright, move your neck. Alright, move your neck.
But then give me some whole palik in the man. All fist in my ribs, yes, and yo. I have a whole it to the pan.
They are my general, so I'm there circle if you see him something I'm talk to you about, you know. You know got it for you know.
You mean the thing there, you know. But one thing, you know. You have to look out your eye, you know. You know, say them boy, they know, say you link with me, you know. You have to open your eye. If your eye open now, you open it wider. Cool?
Cool, my G.
Not real
You know
life,
that,
when you
man.
laugh, you always laugh when me I tell you thing, brother.
Yeah, brother, go you talk, brother. You come like a celebrity, whatever you want to name, Bombard. Yeah, broke you up too much, bro. You have to give me straight, brother. I can't manage you
No,
talk.
me have to make you understand.
Yes, remember me a street man, brother. But how you talk now, you talk it deeper, brother. Like say,
You're street smart, you know.
bro. Eh?
You're street smart, you're book smart. Which one you think smarter?
Why, two of them smart, you know, but boy, I don't know, you know. Brother, street
Me
smart.
don't even
still,
know
you
which
fam.
one
The mad
smarter,
still,
you know. But me just I tell you, you're street smart. You know what go on the street. Me just I tell you, me know a little bit of what go on the street. So me just I tell you, say you have your eye open, just open it wider.
No, you hear them father.
Oh, so.
See me up a foul down, dog. I want the Fletcher him come shot me, dog. Because they want me to come back
Wait.
in the game, brother.
Fletcher?
Fletcher, you.
Yo, them boy, they rob me already, you know?
I couldn't believe when the man shot me in the car. I think
Them boy, they are thief. Them boy, they thief $500,000 for me already and tell me, say, client send 100 US.
Same move.
Boy, them boy, they a long time want dirt, them boy, they. See me, I tell you? Hope me, yeah, in the street.
No, man, but I never did expect nothing, brother.
A good be all the boy, they send police on me yard, you know? A good be all the same boy, they send police on my place. You see that? Yo, you see if I need that foot, yeah, me go dirt him now. But it's true, me can't up on my foot. Me have to sit down right so. But my eyes out same way, you know.
Brother, don't take crutch stick, me have to dash on myself. Because I say, yo, my
Yo.
foot have it jumping fast. Because at early food, I go, yo, me I make back piece of food, man. Because me and my chat say, oh, for me think water down and one bag of sitting, man. Me also I make piece of food the right way,
Yo.
man. That's why I call link here now, all the same thing there.
Cause me there saying I press me, I press here, man.
Yeah, me.
Me nah ease up, man, ease up off my foot. Me nah ease up off my life. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Yo, you see me foot and him, you see some things that me feel reason, you know. I don't feel him time yet. The doctor says 6 weeks. And me know saying 6 week time, or 6 feet, 6 in there.
Yeah, man.
Is it?
Man. Right now,
But
I feel like the page boy for me foot have to, you know. Right now,
you can do it. The last time you send you upon a mission, you know. You tell me, say, you never feel it right energy.
Yeah,
You didn't want to buy supplement.
No, my father, man. I just one shot of rum, I want a cigarette. That's all.
And that you want, you don't want a supplement now.
Man, you don't want no boots in, no, my father.
Alright.
No want no boots in. Remember, you know, him shot me, you know, I never me shot him, you know. Right now, I blood
cool.
me carrying on my eye for them, you know.
Here or now. Grow on the CS in my bag. You know my bag stay ready. Just take your time, you know, see if it's in the funny.
Yeah, man, yeah, do it right, man.
Alright. Let's do it and forward back. Wait. Just 6 weeks, me have. 6 weeks. Let me see him 6 feet on the ground.
Yeah, John, yeah.
So we back there?
No, sir, I don't want no bag in my father. I got the yes right now, because I can't walk in no bag right now, my father, because anything can play upon my side again now. I not run no more loose move, you know.
You're not touching on my money out of my bag.
You're mad, my father, man. You know my thing different already, now, my father, man. You know for me thing different, man. No.
The same thing Fletcher said to me.
Oi. I'm sick. Nobody, yo, what's another far where I come from,
that's
man. Nobody foolishness.
Alright. Fletcher did tell me, say we are forward front all the time. But cool, man. Do the right thing, as me saying. You have a craving already, just get your rum. And I do that.
Alright, father, I'm mad up my thing and link up here.
Yeah, when you forward back, we link Africa now, we got them. Zane? No, man, no worry about no food, man. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, I'll do some sacrifice here to make a money.
You have been redirected to the mailbox of the number 187. You have been redirected to the mailbox of the number
One of them, man.
187.
If you have business and one more time you try call up. I'm going to link you up on your yard.
You have been redirected to the mailbox of the number 1876.
make everything copacetic cause only one knows saying play games. Alright, I'll check it.
Coloring! Yo, coloring! Coloring! Someone in the kind of yard, man. Coloring! Coloring! I like how my people here, they didn't even did it neither, you know. Start happening again to bombard.
Acha. That's a surprise. Yeah,
Yeah, man.
Think good.
You have touch one, yeah, Musa.
That's my how you move, so. Let me get things up, so brother. I want my friend for a long time.
Friend?
Eh?
Friend? And I hold on the plan and set me up and I can talk about friend.
What you mean by that, brother? What you talking about? Eh? Me a virgin, me a friend.
Brother,
most things me help you with. You one of the man. Most things me help you with, bro.
Help.
What you mean say help? What you talking about?
God. I realize say hold on, you know. Hold on, you play mind game for me, you know. Hold on, you know. Yo, listen to me, man. Remember say yo, I first man come to me and tell me say want me go up on an app. Yeah. Yo.
Alright. You don't make money.
Me no make bad man. No make no remember listen me no man. Are you I first man come tell me about apps. I'm telling you me nah go on none with you no. Me nah go on none with them. Me change my life, me change everything about me. And I wanna make me have to Youth, me I'll get shot for youth.
What do you mean get shot? I saw me I hear brother, I never know about certain things. Eh?
I hear a friend do it too, you know. Whole I know a friend, you know.
I'm a friend, brother.
Whole I know do it, you know.
I
be a mind game, yo. Your own friend, you know. Yo, I hear
a friend too.
My friend.
Stop.
My friend.
Chana
man. My friend now pull no gun for me, you know. All joking done when he shoot off of me and shot me, you know.
What I talk about? If you tell me when I talk about.
All joking done, you know. When you pull up on me and shot me, you know.
Brother, uno pull up on you. Stop
a mind game play. A mind game I play with you know.
So make you check on them button. How? Eh?
How go on?
You plan to get back in the game, how?
How go on?
So yeah, so what?
How go on?
No, but you know, so him a one man where for you check him, you know, say apps are certain things that happen right now. So me I say, what you checking for? Brother, talk to me, man. Talk out your mouth now. Yo, I don't understand why. It's like, yeah, make it seem like, say, boy, things are going on, I don't know. But me used to get shot. You understand me? I say, I want to shout you. Because I see for your woman, a few woman reason with, and you know what I mean? The way she look.
So your woman a reason for you, but woman, what you reason for?
Yo, you know, so she has a power and a Keisha. But you know, so I run so me have my people then. See? So she round there and I see her and I say, you know, what going on? So she tell me about you. You feel say, when I just hear certain things I'm done tell someone, you know, say my boy.
I go see my woman later, you know. So I tell him already say, yo, I don't want to no dealings with none of them right now, you know. Right now, right now, yo, the best thing you do, you know, right now, you know, I just go on and allow me, you know, because watch out, you notice, you can't see me in a chatting, be a chatting with me right now. I mean, I'm not chatting with no man right now, you know. A business I come to and he come like say, yo, I watch me now. Watch out my life, you know, say me I go there, say you can ask me when me come to him man.
What do you mean watch out your life? Watch what you saying, yo, nigga, what you talk about? I mean, boss you in the game, you know.
What you talk about?
What mean say what me talk about?
What you talk about?
What mean brother?
What you talk about?
What you reason certain way,
so what you talk about?
So what you do?
No, what you talk about?
You better laugh, I must joke you make. Eh?
Yo, watch out man. Make sense of move, you know.
Let me make sense. Yo!
So what you kiss a teeth for? How when your foot broke?
So you would never know so my foot broke.
You see it,
Much day now my foot broke, me just as you.
You see it? At this sweet family, they just love judge. They just love judge. How if you know your foot broke? Eh? Imagine your foot broke and you not call me and tell me nothing. That's how we live.
Good. But say me and Uncle Tree connect them way there. You and I you set it by you spread the bed so you know. So you can't say me did for link you when you gone about your business I did your thing, you never link me. You see me?
Never
So you
host.
set it that way there.
Never host.
So me and
Never
a Tree
life.
connect so.
Never host and never life, right? Huh? Hey, let me tell you something, you know. You see when things like them are happening, you have to call me and tell me.
You're good man.
You no matter if me ain't no close or whatever you want to call it, call me same way. Anyways, me then I want a little situation, you know.
Huh?
I'm at one big situation. And
So only when you there in a situation or some problem you know me there.
I mean, you can chat. So, me say, you see, your chat was on how.
Only when
how we
you're
had
in
a
a
chat.
problem, you want to find my doorstep.
You're going to hear me out or you just going to yap.
That way at all.
Remember, I look Rasta boy I deal with.
What do him now?
You know, say.
Or why you do him?
Just listen to man that we there now. You know, say, come here and you say.
Oh, father. Yeah. See all them dog there, them boy there. You see them boy there? You didn't even know.
He come here and he give me one strap for the whole half him, right? And the whole half is strap for him. And he come back so sudden. Then the time I take out his strap and put it on one part. You understand? So when he come back for him now, he go in and back and say, how is strap there? So me I say, me take you out of your bag and me put you up. You know what a man do? A man give me a choke there and shove me in the wall. So he
So
said,
what
go
you
feet now. So all I know when he said, go feet now, I go back round the feet. And when I go feet, I pull out the pan him and say, yo, I'm bust a shot in your head. So talk the truth now. Talk the truth with God love. But if you make the man choke me and push me in the wall, nothing about it. Eh?
So what you do? What you do?
Me say me chase him from my yard with him own a gun. And that me do.
Hold on. Hello. Alright. Yeah. So my client to call me right now because only me a deal with an idea. Where's the gun? Continue. You choke him or him choke you?
A man choke me and shove me in the wall.
And you go for the gun and you not shot him?
Me not shot him.
You know say you want to hear that? All the time that you come round you didn't want to hear that? Him do that to you and you have a gun and you not shot him?
Listen to me. Now is not the time to go and talk about if me shot him for if me not shot him.
What you think then call me Tugger for? You think
Listen.
no boy could have done me that a road and he not dead?
Brother, your name Bigfoot Tugger now. Just relax yourself. Because if a man come outside right now, come
No, all when me dey on me 1 foot. None of them can come here, sir.
Me can't talk, me can't deal with this right now. You see, this broke foot, all the tribulations and what you go through, you have me now, everything good. No one to stay with you.
You want for what?
No one to stay with you. Your sister want to stay with you.
Me good.
Huh?
Me no need no company. And me have my phone apart. Me no need nobody else.
What you say you do? Good?
Me
That
good.
Say, so, hold on.
Me say me good. Me no need no company.
Hold on there. So me now, you know I'm my last option. Hold on, you're my last option. I have turned me down like this.
Me no want to run me youth. Cause you idiot dog. Man can squeeze the throat, should be in a wall. I water down my thing. Now. Everybody knows say you're my sister. And you move so soft. You water down my thing, you. And I make me think look away, brother.
I have money for you.
Yeah, yo.
Yo. Let me tell her this.
So, I shot you one, shot me now to me tell you the raw truth.
Let me tell her something. What they say blood thick and what? Answer me! What they say blood thick and what? Blood thick and what?
I shot you pull up gun to shot me.
Blood thick and water, but no! I realize the water thick and bombard blood. Hey, let me tell you something, you know. You know something so right, you know.
So, you pull up gun to shoot me.
Shut your mouth! You make me stay. Or you make me stay. Or me can't stay.
They tell you one thing already, my mouth not change.
You know what's no sense? You don't have no sense. Toga! Brother! Let me get myself in a... Brother!
Bronx since there.
What going with me and Bronx?
I tell you, say me no want you and Bronx and chatting.
No.
Remember say a them set me up and watch an a man. And the day tell me say in woman there and me tell her say you make. You know want him round here or something. What you think me mean say she alone me mean the whole of them.
Bobby, listen to me. A man see me one time I go look for Keisha. Cause you know some me and Keisha are friends like that. So I go to her for something. She not did them. Me see him and me and him start reason.
Yeah, what you say? You go look for Keisha. Keisha you see and a reason with.
No, but him just pop up out
no,
blue and
man, just what kind of man suppose a killing come for killer. You didn't know if a killing come for killer.
Yeah,
You're chatting with man.
The man they come for kill
you know
me.
that? You can't read a man's mind.
Me can't read that man's mind, Bobby, but he may look like he come for kill me.
May look like. So what me look like? You look like me come for kill you?
Yeah, you come like you come here so in an argument with me and that you look like. Since you want argument you get.
You know say in a real life though. I respect you and I never disrespect you.
But me not disrespect you.
Listen me no man, listen me talk no man. Never disrespect you, but you come like say, you know your levels car. You have some man there and some dealings and you want chattings with them. You come like you link with the enemy now. How are you feel? How are you going?
Bobby.
How are really going?
Bobby, me not link with no enemy. What
so
you talk about?
So top a road a chat to a man when me dey able to rate again cause
if
one of them set me up.
Alright, if a man see me something and say Rupson's mama, you man a talk to me, so me I do. What me fi do?
One question. So if me never know you and me couldn't see a road and talk to you same way, a rope drops.
Bobby, me not understand. Where you come off with, Bobby? Because what you say right now don't make no sense, you know. Because if me did want whatever name, I not even remember name, me could have done with him instead of you. But me chose you.
Chose you? Let me go do with you.
What you mean we go do with me? And when me gonna do with you? Remember say you not really give me nothing, Bobby. Remember say me I go
say
choose.
reason why you never did get nothing that you me come out of the game. And you know that too.
Me know that, but no.
Step in back man, don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself man. You get everything you want. China man just avoid certain people and avoid the link where you link with. Because I realize you link with be a man that I don't rate, you know.
And be people me not rate it.
Where you talk, bro?
Yeah, man, you know me a chat, bro.
Come to me straight, Bobby, because what you say, I be a shit chat out there more right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah, let's sit here for
Bulby.
Lucky some respect you for true, you know. If you lucky some respect you for true, you know.
Where you come up here for?
Cut me, I go cut any minute now still. No worry.
Go on.
Just see
Go
how I
on.
say. Just say me I come get a link.
Why you say you can link me in an argument with me for?
Yeah, argument with them. I just go ask one question, but a normal period that you tell me a thing, I take it as that, so you must know, you know.
At that, if you don't believe in your business, what is a relationship without trust?
Last thing me I ask you. Think you left your yard yet?
Our.
Just want to know say think you left your yard because you left for your own still, you know.
What do you mean by me left on my own? I don't understand, you know.
Normal pre man, me a circle.
Go on. You need to go rest your foot. Every minute you up and down on your foot. Go rest and relax yourself and take certain things off of your mind.
Yo. Vice note. Yo, wait a. Come book, yo. Me have something to do with me right now. You know what I say? The boy named Bulby. Shoot off for me, brother. No, man, don't catch me, but you on lean. Because I want to practice. Yeah, man, why you deal it for me? Deal with him for me. Just like I deal with Pinky. See? Yeah, man. No matter how much it costs, man, a man can't shoot off of me and see that breed. You're mad? You're sick? Yeah. Just shout me when you get it done, yeah? Me don't know what me there. But bush. Yeah, but close to your yard, me there. Just shout me, yo, deal with it for me now. Tide. You hear me say? Tide.
To subscribe is free.
You subscribe yet?
It's a constant battlefield, yeah.
It's a spiritual field.
Yeah. You can't find peace unless you win the war.
We are the spiritual superstars.
You can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Cause I remember when the church was a place for finding peace. Now the pastor office strapped with bees. Same on the time just we call police. Cause them take too long to read. And I remember when the liquor used to get the least. Now them in struggle for eat. Cause see that what is the end thing? Good is how the system. Right that's how the system reads. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war.
We are the spiritual superstars.
Can't find yourself unless you know what you're fighting for. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war.
We are the spiritual superstars.
Can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for.
Who will take the blame? Who will make a change? I will living in a mental phase. Cause when I think about the greater ones who fought for us, oh, I wish I could keep in touch. Now it's our turn.
find peace unless you win the war.
We are the spiritual superstar.
Can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Cause I remember I felt the race. I believe.
I'm diddly, I'm diddly, I'm diddly, I'm diddly.
Strap it, me.
Drop it, strap it, strap it, strap it, strap it, strap it.
Say what?
I believe.
Strap it, strap it, strap it, strap it.
Can't find peace unless you win the war.
We are the spiritual superstars.
Can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Yeah. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war.